I recently put in this Tushy Cloud Plus bidet. It is one really impressive bidet that was just released. Usually in this spot we have a Toto K300, and we have also tested the EcoNova, which is currently upstairs but has also been right here. And in this video I am going to talk about all three bidets and the pros and cons of each, as there are definitely some differences to note when you're considering a bidet, and these three are standout. So let's get into it. Full disclosure, I was gifted the EcoNova, I think like 8 months ago from minibidets.com. I personally purchased the Toto K300 and the Tushy Cloud Plus. Let's go. Let's start with the style and seat size. Now, all three of these are slim line bidet seats, specifically because they have instant hot heaters, unlike many bidets that actually have a water tank in the back. So these are all very slim line, pretty comparable overall in the styling. I would say that the Toto is just a little bit higher, larger than the other two. The EcoNova is very, very slim, and the Tushy is right between. Now, in comparing the heated seats, all three of these have heated seats. Tushy definitely gets the hottest, then Toto, then the EcoNova. And all three of these also have eco settings, and those eco settings are specifically for the heated seat, and they let you control whether or not it's on for specific times and or only when someone sits. Now, as for the key piece, in my opinion, the jet cleaning, the Toto is the best hands down. It has the best flow, it has the best focus, it's the most noticeable clean when you're finished. But Tushy and EcoNova are both great as well, and they all have 3 water heating options, so low, medium, or high. Or if you really wanted to, you can turn off the heat altogether and just get that water at whatever temperature it's coming out of your pipes. I do want to preface all of this by pointing out that these are all top of the line bidet seats, so while I say Toto is the best cleaner, Tushy and EcoNova are still both doing a fantastic job, and I really am happy with the cleaning on all three. Now, if you want your bidet to dry you, the Tushy hands down has the most powerful dryer. Not only do you have 3 different heating temperatures, but you also have 3 fan speeds. The Toto and EcoNova are comparable to each other. They have the 3 heating temps, but they only have 1 fan speed. Now, in comparing the remotes, it really is probably more about personal style, but there are some differences to note. In general, the Toto remote gives you a lot more buttons on the front and back to control everything without knowing what the secret trick is to get to some special setting you want. And one of the things I really love about the Toto is that it actually gives you 2 profiles at the bottom, so you can press one of those and it will go to exactly the settings you want every time. That said, it is the least user-friendly, as the button labeling is not intuitive at all. And then the Tushy and EcoNova remotes are both very clearly labeled and intuitive. The Tushy remote is a lot of fun to hold. It's almost like holding a gaming controller, but I do find it to be oversized, and I don't really like that it's horizontal. It's not as streamlined to put on your wall. And then the EcoNova remote has very lovely slim lines. It looks very slick on a wall. In my opinion, the EcoNova is a great remote, though I do wish it had a better wall hanging option. We ended up sticking it to our wall with some command tape, as that was the cleanest option for us. Now, sanitation on all 3 of these is another key thing to look at. They all self-clean and sanitize that nozzle with UV light. The EcoNova steps it up by using silver nanotechnology to sanitize the water. And then the Toto and Tushy actually have carbon filter deodorizers. which so far haven't been very noticeable for us. Now, a key warning for families: only the Toto K300 will react to my 10-year-old daughter's weight, and it has since she was 8. I actually can tell when I push on the back of the seat that it has a little trigger when the seat has any weight on it, and that is what starts it up. And it also has a motion detector. So if you are getting this to wean your kids off wet wipes or reduce their total paper waste and or to help improve their sanitation, I can only recommend the Toto for families. And unfortunately, I don't know the weight that triggers it, so I am not sure if it'll work for toddlers. But I think the odds are in your favor, and it's certainly going to work sooner for your kids than the EcoNova or the Tushy. Now, when it comes to warranties, the Toto and the Tushy both offer 1-year warranties. But then the EcoNova actually provides a 4-year full warranty. So if you are concerned, the EcoNova will definitely have you covered. And then if you want a risk-free trial, minibidets.com, which I'll link down below, actually will give you a 180-day risk-free trial on the EcoNova if you buy it through minibidets.com. So depending on how you want to go with these, you really do have some options. Pay attention to the resellers and the support they provide, or if they allow you to get support from the brand specifically with their receipts. That is a key piece with these bidets. Overall, all three have pros and cons, and all three are also best-in-class bidets. These truly are well-loved brands making top-of-the-line bidets, and I think you really would be happy with any of them. The prices on these fluctuate quite a bit through the year. They all seem to have super sales at different times. So in many ways, the best option for you may be a matter of cost when you're looking, and then of course, personal preference. And like I said, I think you'll be really happy with any of these. I hope this video helped you understand the differences and make a more informed decision.